Hello everyone, welcome to our show Zyka World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. As you know, the format of our show, we always try to bring in the recipes which is simple, easy and plus traditional, so you can enjoy the homemade food at your home. And plus we share all these remedies for your health and beauty issues, plus we share some tips with you guys. So you're probably thinking, what is the menu today for Zyka World Kitchen? We're gonna make something very nice, delicious, and plus so many people requested for the recipe, which is the mixed vegetable kofta with gravy. So that's the menu of our day today. And plus we're gonna share about the remedy for the sore throat and cough. So we're not gonna waste any time over here. I will start my recipe first, and then we will have a small chit chat, and I will share the remedy for the sore throat and cough with you guys. Before we start sharing the ingredients of our recipe, as I always say to you guys, wash your hand and clean the surface before you start your cooking. Let's share the ingredients of our recipe for mixed vegetable koftas. For mixed vegetable koftas, first of all we need the vegetables. So here I got the potatoes. We're gonna use nearly half kg of potatoes. We're gonna boil them. These are red potatoes. You can use any of them according to your taste and desire, which is easily available for you guys. We're gonna use carrot, mint leaves, we got onions. Here I got the green chilies, we got coriander leaves, and here is a spring onion as well. We will try to add in that in our recipe too. And plus we need some green peas. Here are the freshly peeled green peas, and they are ready to use. And now I will share the spices for our recipe today, which is here I got in this pot the garam masala powder, red chili powder. Here I got the cumin seeds, yogurt, coriander powder, salt, turmeric powder. I need egg white from these fresh eggs. Here I got the ginger garlic paste, breadcrumbs, chicken cubes, 2 of them. They're gonna go in there. That's optional. If you don't want that, you just don't use it, but it will give a very nice taste to your gravy. And some cooking oil, last not the least some water for making the gravy. So first of all, what I will do, here I got the 2 pots. It's already got water in it. We're gonna boil our veggies in it so they can slightly tender. Then we will prepare the mixture for our mixed vegetable kofta. So I'm gonna put the flame on underneath these both pots, and I will show you there is already water in it. I'm gonna boil my vegetables in these 2 pots. I will show you this one as well. So meanwhile, what I will do, I'm gonna get some potatoes. As we're gonna boil them, as I told you in previous show as well, we're just gonna make small cuts on the top of these potatoes that are gonna be help us to remove the peel in a very easy way. So I'm just doing a small cuts on the skin of the potatoes, so they are helpful for removing the skin from the boiled potatoes. So just gonna do that. Meanwhile, our water is getting hot. Simple and easy. Just do the cuts as you want. You can do it on the whole potato. You can just do it on the top lid or bottom lid of the potatoes. It's entirely up to you guys, but I always do that, so it will help me to remove the peels very easily. And we will also discuss all the benefits of the potatoes. The potatoes are very good and healthy option to eat. So I will share the mask which you can prepare with the potatoes at home, because potato goes such a sort of ingredients inside which can help you to get rid of all the marks on your face and all these spots left over because of acne or some other things. So you can just get rid of those with these potatoes. Very simple and easy mask I will share with you guys. What I'm doing, I'm just putting the small cuts on the skin. It will help the potatoes when we're gonna remove the skin. It's gonna help them to get off easily. So I'm using nearly half kg of the potatoes. You can always use the quantity according to your requirement. If you're just making for 2 people, you can reduce the amount of that. If you're making for more people, you can always increase the amount of the potatoes and the other ingredients we are using in our recipe. So we done our cuts, and now I'm gonna remove the lid and I'm gonna add in the potatoes into this pot so they can be easily boiled. And now here I got the fresh green peas, which is freshly peeled, and they are ready to use. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna boil those as well. So I'm gonna add them into my pan where the water is already slightly hot. So while our peas, green peas and potatoes are boiling, what I will do, I will quickly chop the carrots, and I'm gonna boil this with the our green peas because carrot take less time. So I'm gonna add bit later on, but peas needs more time, so I just add it in straight away. So I'm gonna give a cuts, and then we're gonna chop them finely. While you're giving the cuts, watch out your finger. Okay, just give small cuts and then you can chop it and you can do the cuts again. So as you can see, there's the shape of the carrot. I decided the small little squares. Okay, so now I'm just gonna keep it like that and slowly chop it. Okay, as we always discuss the benefits of our ingredients, whatever we use in our recipe, the benefits of carrots are too many. They are very good for eyesight, and for eyesight you can use it raw, you can make salad, you can prepare a halwa. It's entirely up to you guys, but try to use the carrots in your daily routine. And it is good for your kidney as well, for your stomach. So, and plus it's very good for your skin too. So you never get too old if you use carrots in your daily routine, in your daily food, whatever you cook. Try to add carrots in, try to bring in some salads. And when you talk about salad, carrots are key ingredient there too. So we need nearly 1 cup of finely chopped carrots for our mixed vegetable koftas. I'm just using 3 veggies at the moment, but you can always use the more according to your taste and desire. You can add the cauliflower as well. Like you can just grate the cauliflower, add it. If you don't want to boil the cauliflower, you can use all these vegetables as a raw as well, but I like these to be slightly tender first. So whenever we prepare those small vegetable balls, so they won't be like splitted in the oil. So I just want them to be slightly boiled, they are softened enough so we can just mix nicely with our potatoes, boiled potatoes. So what I'm doing, nearly 1 cup of carrots we needed, so I'm just chopping them finely by just doing small cuts, and simple and easy way. Yeah, as I said, you can just use the raw veggies as well. Just grate them and you can make the kofta. They're gonna taste very different, but I prefer first to make them tender and then add in all the ingredients. So you can try in a both way whenever you cook from your home. So nearly 1 cup of carrots are done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add them straight away in our peas pot, which is already boiling. So they're going slowly in there. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna cover this and let it boil on a medium flame, so the both gonna be tender nicely. Then we're gonna prepare our, meanwhile what I will do, I will start doing chopping for our gravy, and plus the things we're gonna add into our mixture of the mixed vegetable balls or kofte. So here I got the 2 medium size of onions, and I gonna just roughly chop them. And so many times I explained the onions are very good for the dry eyes, plus it is very good for your hairs, like hair fall problem you are facing, so they are helpful, especially the onion water. And I told you how to prepare the liquid with the onions and the cooking vinegar. That is helpful for your hair fall problems. And today we are talking about the green peas which we are using in our recipe. Green peas are very good for weight loss as well. So what you can do, you can just prepare a green pea soup, or you can just cook them and just make a soup out of it, or cook them, or you can just boil them, add them in your salad. They are very healthy option. If you really wanna lose some weight, or you wanna maintain your weight, so that's a good option for you guys. You can use the green peas in there. It is anti-aging. As I always say to you guys, if you include the veggies like 5 a day in your daily life, daily routine, daily eating habits, that will help you to get rid of all these diseases, and plus keep you healthy and fit, and plus you look so good and glowy. So here we are talking about the green peas. They are very healthy option to lose weight, and plus anti-aging. You want if you are old enough but you're using the green peas in your diet, so you will definitely look younger. That's the most of the women, they really want to look young to their age, so they can bring in the green peas in their daily life. Okay, while we are chopping our onions and having a nice conversation with you guys regarding the benefits of our recipe today, here is the time for a very short break, so don't go anywhere. We will be right back. Keep watching our show Zyka World only on TV99।
मिक्स वेजिटेबल कोफ्ते कड़ी के साथ बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए आलू 4 अदद, गाजर 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, मटर 1 कप, नमक हस्बे जायका, लाल मिर्च पाउडर 1 खाने का चम्मच, जीरा आधा खाने का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, ब्रेड क्रम्स 1 कप, अंडे की सफ़ेदी 2 अदद, हरी मिर्चें 4 अदद, पुदीना 2 खाने के चम्मच, तेल फ्राई करने के लिए। और कड़ी के लिए हमें चाहिए तेल आधा कप, प्याज 2 अदद, दही 6 खाने के चम्मच, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, लाल मिर्च पाउडर आधा चाय का चम्मच, धनिया पाउडर आधा चाय का चम्मच, हल्दी आधा चाय का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, चिकन क्यूब 2 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका। मिक्स वेजिटेबल कोफ्ते कड़ी के साथ बनाने के लिए आलूओं को उबाल कर छील लें और फिर मैश कर लें। अब गाजर और मटरों को भी उबाल कर ब्लेंडर में पीस कर मैश किए हुए आलूओं में शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें। फिर इसमें नमक, मिर्च, जीरा, गरम मसाला पाउडर, ब्रेड क्रम्स और अंडे की सफ़ेदी शामिल करके खूब अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और छोटे छोटे बॉल बना लें। कड़ी के लिए एक पैन में तेल गर्म करके इसमें प्याज तल लें यहाँ तक कि गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाएं। अब इनको तेल में से निकाल कर एक टिश्यू पेपर पर फैला दें। अब इस गर्म तेल में दही, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट, लाल मिर्च पाउडर, धनिया, हल्दी, गरम मसाला पाउडर, चिकन क्यूब, नमक और मसले हुए प्याज शामिल करके फ्राई करें और हस्बे ज़रूरत पानी शामिल कर दें। यहाँ तक पकाएं कि तेल नजर आना शुरू हो जाए। अब एक पैन में तेल गर्म करके इसमें कोफ्तों को फ्राई कर लें और फिर कड़ी में शामिल करके हल्की आंच पर पकाएं यहाँ तक कि एक उबाल आ जाए। अब इसमें हरी मिर्चें और पुदीना शामिल करके हल्की आंच पर पकाएं। मज़ेदार कोफ्ते तैयार हैं। गर्मा गर्म रोटी के साथ सर्व करें। For mixed vegetable kofte with curry, we need potatoes 4, carrot 1 chopped, peas 1 cup, salt to taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds half tablespoon, garam masala powder half tablespoon, breadcrumbs 1 cup, egg white 2, green chilies 4 chopped, mint leaves 2 tablespoon chopped, and oil for fry. For curry, we need oil half cup, onion 2 chopped, yogurt 6 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, garam masala powder half tablespoon, chicken cubes 2 packets, salt to taste. Cooking directions: boil and peel potatoes and mash them. Now boil and grind together carrot and peas and mix them into the mashed potatoes. Add it salt, red chili powder, cumin seeds, garam masala powder, breadcrumbs and egg white. Mix all the ingredients well and make small kofta balls. For curry, heat oil in a saucepan, add onions and fry them till they turn golden brown. Remove the onions from the oil and spread them on the tissue paper. Now add yogurt in the oil, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala powder, chicken cubes, salt and crushed fried onions. Cook the ingredients slightly and add water and boil till a layer of oil starts showing. Now shallow fry koftas in another pan and added them in the curry. Keep the flame low, and when it comes to boil, add green chilies and mint leaves. Keep it to simmer on low flame. Serve it with roti.
Welcome back to our show Zyka World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and in our kitchen today, for all you guys who just joined us now, we are preparing a mixed vegetable kofta which we're gonna serve with the gravy. Before we went for a break, we was chopping our onions, so while our potatoes and our peas and carrots are boiling in these two pots, we're gonna prepare our chopping. So here I got some green chilies and I'm gonna chop them for not only for gravy, plus we're gonna add them in our kofta too. So nearly 6 of them, and finely chop them. These ones gonna go in our gravy, and then I will chop the other ones very finely for our koftas. So before we went for break, I was discussing the benefits of the green peas. As I said, they are anti-aging, anti-wrinkle too. All these ladies suffering with all these wrinkles on their face or on their body, if they start using the green peas, so they can reduce the amount of wrinkles appearing on their face and on their body too. Not only the women, the men can join too. They can have the green peas as well, and they can get rid of all these aging problems. Plus, it is very good for your immune system to get rid of all these diseases and problems, so making you strong from your inner side. And plus, all these ladies who are expecting a child, is very good for them too. So these are the small little benefits of the green peas. Normally what we say, oh, green peas, no, I don't like them, I don't want to eat them and all that, but the green peas are very healthy option. So we chop these for our gravy first of all, and then I will chop them for our kofta mixture too. So, and green peas, one more thing I will let you know, if you are suffering from stomach cancer, they are very helpful for your stomach cancer problem too. So probably help you to get rid of that problem, or probably reduce the amount of pain you are suffering from. So green peas are basically very suitable for all age and all kind of people. So you can even give it to your young generation, just toddlers. What you can do is just boil them and saute with a tablespoon of oil and give them with potatoes. They will definitely enjoy it, and it is a healthy option for them as well. So here I just got the green chili, and I as you can see, did a cut in the middle twice. So now we're gonna chop them for our mixed vegetable balls. As I said, I'm gonna finely chop these for the mixed vegetable balls, so they won't just come into the mouth and burn your tongue. And whenever you chop the green chilies, avoid to contact your eyes, because they can burn your eyes. Even though if they are very hot, they can burn your skin as well, so you will feel the burning sensation. So after chopping the green chilies, always wash your hands. So roughly 4 chilies we're gonna add into our gravy, and 3 of them we're gonna add in our mixture which we're gonna prepare for our mixed vegetable balls or kofte. There is so many benefits of potatoes as well. They are rich source of vitamin A, magnesium, copper, and they are very good for your kidneys and your liver, cleanse your liver. So don't just avoid each and everything completely, just try to bring in the small amounts in your daily routine. That will really helpful for you guys. So whatever it says that too much of everything is bad. I just gonna have a quick glance to our veggies. Are they boiled or not? You can see they are slightly boiled. Mixed carrot and peas are boiling, so probably another 5 more minutes for that. And I'm just gonna have a quickly check on my on potatoes. So you can poke in a knife or no, they need some time to get boiled. Meanwhile, what we do, as we are talking to you guys, sharing the benefits of the different product what we are using in our recipe, and plus we are preparing the chopping for our kofta balls so and gravy. Roughly we need nearly 2 tablespoons of mint leaves. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finely chop them as well. Nice fresh mint leaves here. So what I will do, I will just remove the leaves out of it. We don't need the rest part of this. So just removing the leaves, and then we will finely chop this as well. In our show, we always try to bring in the things which we can make from the scratch, so you people can learn easily and how to cook. All these people who don't know even how to make the basic things, they can learn from our show, and they will definitely make the recipes which is like expert can make it. So here I got the mint leaves. We nearly need 2 tablespoons of mint leaves. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just finely chop them here on my cutting board. And if you think they are not enough, you can always get more and chop those as well. It will give a very nice taste and aroma. Very simple and easy recipe today. You just need to be bit patience and determination to make the vegetable balls or kofta. You can even make the vegetable balls, serve them with any sauce like green chutney or ketchup. You can just have them without gravy as well. So it's entirely up to you guys how you're gonna do the variation in your recipe. We try to give you the full knowledge, and I got the spring onion, so I thought why not I add that in as well. This is not included in my recipe, but because as I said to you guys, you always try to do variations. So finely chop the spring onion, and I will definitely add in our mixed vegetable koftas. You can see very small chunks, so it will definitely gonna give a very good taste to our recipe. So as I'm doing variations, because I got more things in my kitchen at the moment, I'm utilizing them. So you can utilize your kitchen stuff as well, and you can do the variation in the recipe according to your taste and desire. And hopefully it's gonna turn out in a very good result. So nearly 2 tablespoons of the spring onions we chopped, so which we're gonna add in. So I'm just gonna have a quick glance to the potatoes if they are boiled, so we will start preparing our gravy. The potatoes probably need some more time, so I'm just gonna shift their cooker, because the peas and the carrots I'm just gonna show you guys they are done. We're gonna remove them from flame, and meanwhile, while our potatoes gonna be boiled, we're gonna prepare our gravy on this cooker. So close the flame. I'm just gonna move them on the side. Okay viewers, while our potatoes are boiling, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prepare my gravy. And for gravy, in this pot I'm gonna add nearly ½ cup of extra virgin olive oil. You can use according to your taste and desire, as I always say, and you can even reduce the amount of it if you are calorie watching, if you are avoiding too much oil because of acne, as I say to you guys so many times. If you got acne and that's exaggerating too much on your face and on your body, so what you can do, you can avoid the usage of oil, because it helps the acne to exaggerate itself, to become more powerful and show impact on your face and body. So I'm just gonna heat up the oil, then we're gonna fry the onions in it. And here I got the 2 medium size of onions. We're gonna add into our oil, which is slightly heated itself up. Okay, we added our 2 medium size of onion in this hot oil, and we're gonna fry them till they're golden brown. Then we're gonna remove them from oil and we will add our other ingredients in. And meanwhile, what I will do, I will share the remedy which you can use for all these spots on your face, are dark circles, are dark patches, or anything which is making you upset showing on your face and you really want to get rid of that. So what you can do, you can use the potato, make a very good mask out of it. That will help you to get rid of all these spots and marks are left over on your face, or patches of the black patterns on your face showing the blemishes. So what you can do, get a medium size of potato and just cut in small cubes, put in the blender, blend it, make a puree out of it. The raw potato is not a boiled potato. As the puree gonna be ready, here is the time for a very short break. I will share the remedy after a break, because here is the time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back. Keep watching our show Zyka World only on TV99.
मिक्स वेजिटेबल कोफ्ते कड़ी के साथ बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए आलू 4 अदद, गाजर 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, मटर 1 कप, नमक हस्बे जायका, लाल मिर्च पाउडर 1 खाने का चम्मच, जीरा आधा खाने का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, ब्रेड क्रम्स 1 कप, अंडे की सफ़ेदी 2 अदद, हरी मिर्चें 4 अदद, पुदीना 2 खाने के चम्मच, तेल फ्राई करने के लिए। और कड़ी के लिए हमें चाहिए तेल आधा कप, प्याज 2 अदद, दही 6 खाने के चम्मच, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, लाल मिर्च पाउडर आधा चाय का चम्मच, धनिया पाउडर आधा चाय का चम्मच, हल्दी आधा चाय का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, चिकन क्यूब 2 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका। मिक्स वेजिटेबल कोफ्ते कड़ी के साथ बनाने के लिए आलूओं को उबाल कर छील लें और फिर मैश कर लें। अब गाजर और मटरों को भी उबाल कर ब्लेंडर में पीस कर मैश किए हुए आलूओं में शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें। फिर इसमें नमक, मिर्च, जीरा, गरम मसाला पाउडर, ब्रेड क्रम्स और अंडे की सफ़ेदी शामिल करके खूब अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और छोटे छोटे बॉल बना लें। कड़ी के लिए एक पैन में तेल गर्म करके इसमें प्याज तल लें यहाँ तक कि गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाएं। अब इनको तेल में से निकाल कर एक टिश्यू पेपर पर फैला दें। अब इस गर्म तेल में दही, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट, लाल मिर्च पाउडर, धनिया, हल्दी, गरम मसाला पाउडर, चिकन क्यूब, नमक और मसले हुए प्याज शामिल करके फ्राई करें और हस्बे ज़रूरत पानी शामिल कर दें। यहाँ तक पकाएं कि तेल नजर आना शुरू हो जाए। अब एक पैन में तेल गर्म करके इसमें कोफ्तों को फ्राई कर लें और फिर कड़ी में शामिल करके हल्की आंच पर पकाएं यहाँ तक कि एक उबाल आ जाए। अब इसमें हरी मिर्चें और पुदीना शामिल करके हल्की आंच पर पकाएं। मज़ेदार कोफ्ते तैयार हैं, गर्मा गर्म रोटी के साथ सर्व करें। For mixed vegetable kofte with curry, we need potatoes 4, carrot 1 chopped, peas 1 cup, salt to taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds half tablespoon, garam masala powder half tablespoon, breadcrumbs 1 cup, egg white 2, green chilies 4 chopped, mint leaves 2 tablespoon chopped, and oil for fry. For curry, we need oil half cup, onion 2 chopped, yogurt 6 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, garam masala powder half tablespoon, chicken cubes 2 packets, salt to taste. Cooking directions: boil and peel potatoes and mash them. Now boil and grind together carrot and peas and mix them into the mashed potatoes. Add it salt, red chili powder, cumin seeds, garam masala powder, breadcrumbs and egg white. Mix all the ingredients well and make small kofta balls. For curry, heat oil in a saucepan, add it onions and fry them till they turn golden brown. Remove the onions from the oil and spread them on the tissue paper. Now add it yogurt in the oil, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala powder, chicken cubes, salt and crushed fried onions. Cook the ingredients slightly and add it water and boil till a layer of oil starts showing. Now shallow fry koftas in another pan and add them in the curry. Keep the flame low and when it comes to boil, add green chilies and mint leaves. Keep it to simmer on low flame. Serve it with roti.
Welcome back after a very short break. You are watching Zyka World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and for all these guys who just tuned in now, we are preparing for you guys the mixed vegetable kofta which we're gonna serve with the gravy. And before I went for a break, I was sharing the potato mask for all these ladies and for men who are suffering from all these spots appearing on their face and not going there just because the acne spots are those blemishes on their face. So what they can do, just get a medium size of potato, peel it off, and then you can just do a small chunks out of it add in a blender, prepare a puree out of this, and then what else you're gonna do? You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in it, and then you can apply the mixture of lemon and potato on your face. Apply on your face, relax somewhere for 10 to 15 minutes, and after 15 to 20 minutes just remove that with the cotton with hot water. Just wash it up with the lukewarm water and then apply a moisturizer on your face. Try this remedy continuously 7 days and you will see a huge difference. Your skin will start glowing. All these blemishes, all these spot marks, they will go away slowly, but you need to use this with determination and patience. After first use you will see the difference, but if you use regularly for 7 days, and then you can reduce the amount of usage, like in a week you can use twice or 3 times. It will really helpful, and sooner in months time you will get rid of all these marks appearing on your face. As I am sharing the remedy, I'm stirring the onions as well, so they can be fried from the all side equally, and our potatoes are boiling. So I'm just going to have a quick check on potatoes, how they're doing, if they are boiled, so we can remove them from the hot water. Yes, you can see they are boiled. My knife easily went inside, so I was just poking the knife in to see if they are boiled or not. So they are done. I'm going to close the flame and we're going to remove them from the hot water, remove the peels, and we're going to mash them. And meanwhile in the other cooker we are just frying the onions. So we're gonna fry them and then we're gonna remove from the oil, keep it on the side. So I'm just gonna grab a plate. Gonna spread a kitchen towel, and then we're gonna spread the fried onions on top of the kitchen towel. Okay, so we're going to remove all of them. I'm using both spoons. So okay, so we removed all our onions into the plate. I'm just gonna, with the spoon, I'm gonna spread them, and then we're gonna break them and gonna add them in our puree gravy what we're gonna prepare. So now in this hot oil I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, which is freshly prepared. So heap full of 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. As we're gonna slightly fry this, as they're gonna slightly change their color, we will add our rest of the spices in. Okay, so here I got the fresh yogurt. So we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of yogurt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just gonna stir it because we're not using the tomatoes. So tomatoes are optional, you can use them as well, and otherwise you can add in the yogurt. They're both gonna work out same. And now I'm gonna add in green chilies, because we're gonna add some chilies in our mixed vegetable balls, so just avoid too much chilies in it. Half teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 of salt. You can always taste it and you can increase the amount of salt you want to add in. As I always say to you guys, too much salt is not good, so try to avoid the usage of salt. It's not a healthy option. And here I got the turmeric powder, 1 heapful teaspoon of turmeric powder. Carry on stirring. I'm gonna do the medium flame. And here I got the cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna put on my palm, and then I'm gonna rub with both hands, and then we're gonna slowly add into our pot. So here I got the chopped green chilies, and I'm gonna add them into. And now we're gonna fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're gonna add water in it and let the water have a quick boil, and then we add the rest of the ingredients. Meanwhile, what I will do, I will remove the hot water out of these potatoes, and we will peel them and mash them. Okay, so here I got the chicken cubes, so I just gonna break them. As I said to you guys earlier on, these are the optional thing. If you are purely vegetarian and you don't want to use those in, you can always ignore the chicken cubes. I'm adding 2 of them, breaking them into the pot, and we're gonna stir this. Just gonna fry for another minute, then we're gonna cover and cook our gravy. Okay, so now we're gonna add in the water and let it have a quick boil. Meanwhile, we will prepare our mixed vegetable balls. Just gonna give a quick stir, and now we're gonna cover and let it cook itself. Meanwhile, what I will do, I will remove the peas and carrots from this water, and we will mash them with the masher. So simple and easy. Just gonna remove them from water. Now add into this bowl. So here I got the masher, and I just gonna mash them. You can, as I said to you, use the raw veggies and use a blender to blend them as well, but I like the slightly cooked, so it will give a nice taste to our recipe. And because we are making these vegetable balls, and I'm not gonna deep fry them, I'm gonna just shallow fry these, so that's why I just boiled them before. Because if you use the raw vegetables, you need to give more time for frying your vegetable balls. Mashed, we're gonna mash our potatoes, and then we're gonna mix both mixture together, add our spices and prepare the vegetable balls, fry them and add them into our gravy. While I'm mashing them, I will give you a remedy for the the sore throat and the cough, because one of my viewers, she requested me if I can give a kahwa or a herbal tea for the sore throats or for the cough, because the season is changing. As the weather is changing, they're always suffering from all these problems. Before I share the remedy, here is a time for a quick break, so don't go anywhere. We will be right back. Keep watching our show Zyka World only on TV99.
मिक्स वेजिटेबल कोफ्ते कड़ी के साथ बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए आलू 4 अदद, गाजर 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, मटर 1 कप, नमक हस्बे जायका, लाल मिर्च पाउडर 1 खाने का चम्मच, जीरा आधा खाने का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, ब्रेड क्रम्स 1 कप, अंडे की सफ़ेदी 2 अदद, हरी मिर्चें 4 अदद, पुदीना 2 खाने के चम्मच, तेल फ्राई करने के लिए। और कड़ी के लिए हमें चाहिए तेल आधा कप, प्याज 2 अदद, दही 6 खाने के चम्मच, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, लाल मिर्च पाउडर आधा चाय का चम्मच, धनिया पाउडर आधा चाय का चम्मच, हल्दी आधा चाय का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, चिकन क्यूब 2 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका। मिक्स वेजिटेबल कोफ्ते कड़ी के साथ बनाने के लिए आलूओं को उबाल कर छील लें और फिर मैश कर लें। अब गाजर और मटरों को भी उबाल कर ब्लेंडर में पीस कर मैश किए हुए आलूओं में शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें। फिर इसमें नमक, मिर्च, जीरा, गरम मसाला पाउडर, ब्रेड क्रम्स और अंडे की सफेदी शामिल करके खूब अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और छोटे छोटे बॉल बना लें। कड़ी के लिए एक पैन में तेल गर्म करके इसमें प्याज तल लें यहाँ तक कि गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाए। अब इनको तेल में से निकाल कर एक टिश्यू पेपर पर फैला दें। अब इस गर्म तेल में दही, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट, लाल मिर्च पाउडर, धनिया, हल्दी, गरम मसाला पाउडर, चिकन क्यूब, नमक और मसले हुए प्याज शामिल करके फ्राई करें और हस्बे ज़रूरत पानी शामिल कर दें। यहाँ तक पकाएं कि तेल नजर आना शुरू हो जाए। अब एक पैन में तेल गर्म करके इसमें कोफ्तों को फ्राई कर लें और फिर कड़ी में शामिल करके हल्की आंच पर पकाएं यहाँ तक कि एक उबाल आ जाए। अब इसमें हरी मिर्चें और पुदीना शामिल करके हल्की आंच पर पकाएं। मज़ेदार कोफ्ते तैयार हैं, गर्मा गर्म रोटी के साथ सर्व करें। For mixed vegetable kofte with curry, we need potatoes 4, carrot 1 chopped, peas 1 cup, salt to taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds half tablespoon, garam masala powder half tablespoon, breadcrumbs 1 cup, egg white 2, green chilies 4 chopped, mint leaves 2 tablespoon chopped, and oil for fry. For curry, we need oil half cup, onion 2 chopped, yogurt 6 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, garam masala powder half tablespoon, chicken cubes 2 packets, salt to taste. Cooking directions: boil and peel potatoes and mash them. Now boil and grind together carrot and peas and mix them into the mashed potatoes. Add it salt, red chili powder, cumin seeds, garam masala powder, breadcrumbs and egg white. Mix all the ingredients well and make small kofta balls. For curry, heat oil in a saucepan, add it onions and fry them till they turn golden brown. Remove the onions from the oil and spread them on the tissue paper. Now add it yogurt in the oil, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala powder, chicken cubes, salt and crushed fried onions. Cook the ingredients slightly and add it water and boil till a layer of oil starts showing. Now shallow fry koftas in another pan and add them in the curry. Keep the flame low and when it comes to boil, add green chilies and mint leaves. Keep it to simmer on low flame. Serve it with roti.
Welcome back to our show Zaika World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and in our kitchen today we are making for you guys a mixed vegetable kofte which we're gonna serve with the gravy. Before we went for a break, I was mashing the vegetables. As you can see, they are mashed. So here I got the potatoes which we peeled, and I'm gonna quickly mash those as well. As they're gonna be mashed, we will add our ingredients in it and then we will fry them. We're gonna do deep frying. No, we're not gonna do deep frying, we're gonna do the shallow frying. So very simple and easy. Just press it with your both hands strength and they're gonna be mashed nicely. Just want to make sure. Okay, so they've been mashed. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just feel it with my hands. If there's no lumps, then we will mix our mashed material together. So that's done. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the mixture of carrots and peas which we mashed. Okay, mix it well. And now for binding, I'm gonna add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can add in the rice flour as well. Just gonna mix it well. Okay, so what I will do at this stage, I will add the veggies in it, which we already chopped. Here I got the spring onion, that's going in there, some green chilies and mint leaves. And here I got the red chili powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder, salt to taste. You can always taste it afterwards. Cumin seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds going in there. This is the coriander powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, and that's the all spices powder are known as the garam masala powder, half tablespoon are that going in there. So now we're gonna mix all these ingredients together and then we're gonna fry them. Very simple and easy, just use your hands and mix all these ingredients, and you can taste it because it's not raw, it's cooked. If you think there's you need to add bit salt or bit more spices in, you can always do that. So what I'm gonna do here, I got the egg. I'm gonna break 1 egg and we're just gonna use the egg white in this. And if you think your material is bit thinner, so you don't need probably to add the egg in, it's entirely up to you, but it will definitely give a very nice taste to the recipe. So I'm just gonna mix the ingredients again. Just gonna, all the mixture is ready. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna prepare the small balls out of it and we're gonna fry them in the oil. Okay viewers, we are adding the extra virgin olive oil into this pan, as you can see, so we can fry our potato balls in it. I'm just gonna heat itself up and we will prepare our potato balls and then we quickly add them into this and fry them. I'm not fighting, just gonna prepare the balls. Lemon size ball or a bigger one according to your taste and desire. Just get the batter and just prepare the balls like that. Very simple and easy. And we're gonna fry them in a very hot oil because they're already cooked. We just need a coating on the top. So meanwhile our gravy is simmering on the other cooker. Okay viewers, as you can see our gravy is had a quick boil. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna add in the onions which we fried earlier on, and I just crushed them. I'm just gonna give a stir, and now I'm gonna add in the coriander powder. a teaspoonful of that. And here I got the garam masala powder known as all spices powder, teaspoonful of that. Now we're gonna cover this and let it simmer on a very low flame, and meanwhile we will quickly fry our mixed vegetable balls and we're gonna add them in our gravy. So just gonna do on a very low flame, let the water simmer. Okay, so here I got the mixed vegetable balls ready. So I'm gonna add them slowly one by one into this hot oil. So we are not doing deep fry, we are just doing shallow fry, and leave enough gap in between, and watch out the hot oil whenever you're frying something. As I said to you guys, you can always eat them raw, either you can just utilize them with a gravy as well. So it's entirely up to you. Use it as an appetizer in a side dish or a main dish, as you can prepare in a gravy. So while our gravy is boiling in this pan nicely, we are frying our potato balls. So I'm just gonna show you guys our mixed vegetable balls are fried. So I'm gonna remove the lid from the gravy and just gonna add them in. Exactly I'm gonna do with others. Now we're gonna fry the rest. Just watch out the hot oil. So as I show you now, gravy is ready. So we're gonna close the flame. There's a nice layer of the oil is showing. So we're gonna fry our other potato balls and I'm gonna add them into the gravy too. Okay, while our mixed vegetable koftas are frying, what I will do, I will prepare the garnish for my dish. We're gonna garnish with the fresh coriander leaves. So I'm just gonna quickly chop them. It's not only give a nice taste to your recipe, plus also a very nice color too. Coriander leaves are chopped, so I'm just gonna have a quick, as you can see they're cooked nicely, so we're gonna remove them from the hot oil like this, and they're going straight into our gravy pan. And these four I'm gonna keep them separate and I'm gonna serve them, so you can enjoy these mixed vegetable balls with ketchup or any sauce. You can use these as an appetizer as well. So basically in one recipe you taking the taste of two, what you can say, in two ways. So just gonna close the flame underneath the oil which we're frying. So what I'm gonna do, add some of the coriander leaf, now, and rest we will use for our garnishing. Just gonna give a stir, and so our recipe is ready. So we're just gonna serve it with the gravy. As you can see, it's bubbling hot. So I'm gonna close the flame. Nice layer of oil is showing. So I'm gonna close the flame. First of all, I will serve these. I'm gonna put them like that, which I kept for just to show you guys how you can just use them. And I'm gonna garnish these with the mint leaf in the middle. Okay, so our recipe for today, which is the mixed vegetable balls with gravy, is ready. Gravy is a bit thin here. You can thicken it according to your taste and desire. You can eat them with roti, either with the rice. It's entirely up to you guys. Very simple and easy recipe for our show today. Simple ingredients, but you need a bit of the determination to prepare them because it's time consuming. You can just easily prepare it, keep it safe, just fry them, keep in the fridge, and whenever you got some guests coming around, just straight away make the gravy, add your potato balls, just steam it for 5 minutes. They're going to be ready to serve. So that's done. And now I'm gonna garnish this with the fresh green coriander. Okay viewers, our recipe for today, which is the mixed vegetable kofta with gravy, is ready now. As you can see, I kept some of these mixed vegetable koftas. I just fried them and kept them separate, so you can see you can use as an appetizer and you can use as a side dish too. If you don't want to use as a main dish, you can just enjoy this with a ketchup or sauce, which is the chili sauce, or you can make a mint yogurt sauce, and you can enjoy this recipe. So here is the time to say goodbye now. So before I say goodbye, as I always say to you guys, if you got a recipe and you want to share with us, do not hesitate to write on our TV9 page, also on our Zyka World page too. And please do give your feedback and comments. That's mean a lot for us. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel with the name of TV9. It's time to say goodbye from me, Hina Iqbal. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Keep watching our show Zyka World only on TV99.
मिक्स वेजिटेबल कोफ्ते कड़ी के साथ बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए आलू 4 अदद, गाजर 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, मटर 1 कप, नमक हस्बे जायका, लाल मिर्च पाउडर 1 खाने का चम्मच, जीरा आधा खाने का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, ब्रेड क्रम्स 1 कप, अंडे की सफ़ेदी 2 अदद, हरी मिर्चें 4 अदद, पुदीना 2 खाने के चम्मच, तेल फ्राई करने के लिए। और कड़ी के लिए हमें चाहिए तेल आधा कप, प्याज 2 अदद, दही 6 खाने के चम्मच, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, लाल मिर्च पाउडर आधा चाय का चम्मच, धनिया पाउडर आधा चाय का चम्मच, हल्दी आधा चाय का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, चिकन क्यूब 2 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका। मिक्स वेजिटेबल कोफ्ते कड़ी के साथ बनाने के लिए आलूओं को उबाल कर छील लें और फिर मैश कर लें। अब गाजर और मटरों को भी उबाल कर ब्लेंडर में पीस कर मैश किए हुए आलूओं में शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें। फिर इसमें नमक, मिर्च, जीरा, गरम मसाला पाउडर, ब्रेड क्रम्स और अंडे की सफ़ेदी शामिल करके खूब अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और छोटे छोटे बॉल बना लें। कड़ी के लिए एक पैन में तेल गर्म करके इसमें प्याज तल लें यहाँ तक कि गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाए। अब इनको तेल में से निकाल कर एक टिश्यू पेपर पर फैला दें। अब इस गर्म तेल में दही, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट, लाल मिर्च पाउडर, धनिया, हल्दी, गरम मसाला पाउडर, चिकन क्यूब, नमक और मसले हुए प्याज शामिल करके फ्राई करें और हस्बे ज़रूरत पानी शामिल कर दें। यहाँ तक पकाएं कि तेल नजर आना शुरू हो जाए। अब एक पैन में तेल गर्म करके इसमें कोफ्तों को फ्राई कर लें और फिर कड़ी में शामिल करके हल्की आंच पर पकाएं यहाँ तक कि एक उबाल आ जाए। अब इसमें हरी मिर्चें और पुदीना शामिल करके हल्की आंच पर पकाएं। मज़ेदार कोफ्ते तैयार हैं। गर्मा गर्म रोटी के साथ सर्व करें। For mixed vegetable kofte with curry, we need potatoes 4, carrot 1 chopped, peas 1 cup, salt to taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds half tablespoon, garam masala powder half tablespoon, breadcrumbs 1 cup, egg white 2, green chilies 4 chopped, mint leaves 2 tablespoon chopped, and oil for fry. For curry, we need oil half cup, onion 2 chopped, yogurt 6 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, garam masala powder half tablespoon, chicken cubes 2 packets, salt to taste. Cooking directions: boil and peel potatoes and mash them. Now boil and grind together carrot and peas and mix them into the mashed potatoes. Add it salt, red chili powder, cumin seeds, garam masala powder, breadcrumbs and egg white. Mix all the ingredients well and make small kofta balls. For curry, heat oil in a saucepan, add it onions and fry them till they turn golden brown. Remove the onions from the oil and spread them on the tissue paper. Now add it yogurt in the oil, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala powder, chicken cubes, salt and crushed fried onions. Cook the ingredients slightly and add it water and boil till a layer of oil starts showing. Now shallow fry koftas in another pan and add them in the curry. Keep the flame low, and when it comes to boil, add green chilies and mint leaves. Keep it to simmer on low flame. Serve it with roti.